If you're looking for more fragrance in your garden, we highly recommend the Confederate Jasmine. These plants bloom in late spring and give off a beautiful fragrance that will linger all around your flower beds. Typically, people choose to plant jasmine as a wall or ground cover, and they tend to be very low maintenance. Let's learn how to care for it. In order for your jasmine to survive and thrive, we recommend you choose a spot that receives full sun. You can choose to plant it in your garden or grow it in a container as long as it has proper drainage. They grow best in the southern regions of the United States, and we recommend checking your zone before purchasing this plant as they are hardy in zones 8 through 11. These are drought-tolerant plants, and they don't mind going a little thirsty, but be sure that you're watering them enough to keep them healthy and lively. Only water them if you notice that the first 1 to 2 inches of soil are dry, and then only water enough to wet the first 5 to 6 inches of soil from the top. Typically, you should be deeply watering your jasmine regularly every 10 to 21 days, or up to twice a week if it's a particularly hot season. Fertilizer is not a necessity for jasmines, but you can fertilize once or twice a year if desired, and once the plant is done flowering. If it looks like your jasmine is getting unruly, feel free to prune it, which will provide structure and encourage new growth. Be sure to prune as soon as they're done flowering, which should be somewhere around late summer or early fall. Be mindful to avoid the plant's sap when pruning, as it can irritate the skin. Jasmine plants not only smell great, but attract butterflies as well. It's one of our favorites to have in the nursery, and we can't get enough of them. We definitely recommend them to anyone looking for a beautiful, high-fragrance plant to add to their collection. We hope this gave you some insight on jasmine care, and we'd love to answer any more questions you might have in the comments below. Happy planting!